In a quiet corner of the Buffalo District, you'll find a treasure trove of Army Corps history and the man who manages it all, Eric Kolber.
I'm not an engineer, I'm not a regulator, I'm not an accountant, I'm not a lawyer, but I have to know a little about these things as I go to answer the kind of questions, understand what the people want.
Eric has been the district's librarian for over 21 years, overseeing thousands of historical documents, photos, and publications dating back more than 2 centuries.
We use so many things from way back. It's not just here, we use it to get the job done. So any of the really old drawings are neat to work with. Any of the old books we have annual reports going back to the 1860s. So those are things we need to refer to all the time to get the job done.
Kolber is preserving more than just books and annual reports. He's preserving the history and legacy of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
A big one we recently had a couple years ago was for U.S. South Pier here in Buffalo, which is one of the, if not the oldest structure in the Great Lakes. And it was built in various layers. As this one degraded, well, they built something on top of it. And this one they repaired, and this one they built another one. So they had to try and figure out what is there. And this is going back to the 1820s. So they did their own investigations, but we had to find everything we could on this end. You had some people at URDIC found some things in the National Archives. And putting all that together, they were able to get a picture of what was going on and how to fix it.
Whether you're flipping through a 19th century blueprint or looking up a document from last year, the Corps' legacy lives on, thanks to the work of Eric.
They gave me a great new space here a couple of years ago, and I want it to be something they could really be proud of, not only on a local level or division or even on the Corps, to be able to say this is something we want to show off. This is working really well. It's almost a jewel in the crown kind of thing.
It's clear Eric has a passion for the past and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and what really drives him is the unpredictability of each day.
I love what I do, and I love coming in every day and just trying to get better here every day. And I'll be driving in thinking, here's probably what I'm working on today, whatever long-term projects. You don't know who's gonna walk in or who's gonna email. And it might be something that they need and it takes 2 seconds to find it. It might be something that takes me days to put together or track down the information from somewhere else.
From researching legacy projects to new team members learning the Corps' rich history, the library and Eric are a resource for everyone.